Hey, what's up guys? Today we're taking our headlight and tossing it in the oven. Let's get this started. By the end of this video, you'll have your headlights disassembled just like this. And as a sneak preview for the next one, check this out. Blacked out and angel eyes. Now some of you may not have access to an oven or your parents won't let you because they think you're gonna burn your house down. I'm gonna teach you how you can create your own oven, which is probably just as worse. All you're gonna need is a big box that can hold in 2 headlights. You're gonna need a heat gun. On the inside are places to put your headlight as a stand because you don't want it to be directly in front of your heat gun. And it's as simple as that. Now the box doesn't have to be completely sealed up. Just one tape and you just let your headlights bake for about 10 minutes. Alright, so before we do anything, there are 2 screws in the back of your headlight that you want to remove. You want to remove this one and you want to remove this one. Once you get those removed, remove all the lights from the back of the housing. Side marker light, this is your indicator. I'm going to take off the caps, that's your high beam, and that's your low beam. You might as well take off all the bulbs as well. And you want to get your high beam out as well. Remember we made these 2 connectors, the positive and negative, from like our very first video on YouTube. So now this is ready to be tossed into the oven. So here you can take your headlights and we're just going to place it down. And as you can see, it's not touching any of the corner. Close this up and you turn this on.
5 minutes later.
You got your gloves. Pretty freaking hot, but so we're going to take this. This. So this clip is stuck right here. Lift that up. Honestly, just lift it up over here. Yeah, you just want to go here. Lift it up. Okay, so now, I mean, it's pretty much open. You just gotta rip it. Yeah, buddy. Alright, so this is the inside of your projector and your headlight housing, and this is the other side of your headlight housing. I'm actually so happy right now. As you can see guys, we did this without using an oven. This is a method that works, because if it worked for me, it's gonna work for you. Let's go on to the next step, which is taking this apart. This piece over here, it's held down by this little clip. You just wanna take that off, okay? Well, these 2 screws. And that's the screw over here. Just grab it from different parts and okay, it's pretty simple. And that's our chrome housing and that's our lens piece. So now let's get rid of this. So that's our reflector. I'm gonna put this inside of a plastic bag. The next piece you want to remove is last piece. Now over here, there's like this little input slot. I'm gonna poke at that. Yeah, okay, that works. How the hell did they design this? I got 2 corners out. See where the flathead is? So I'm gonna push it down with my thumb, and while I'm doing that, I'm gonna pull it with this in here. Yes. It sounded violent, but it actually works. This is the worst part out of all of this. To avoid any further damage, we're gonna take this, put it inside of here. Congratulations guys, this is how you disassemble your headlights. Alright, so we're back inside the house and we're gonna do some prep work. What we're gonna do in the next few steps is sanding and degreasing with alcohol. The shroud for the low beam, we're gonna completely sand this and black it out. We're gonna completely black everything out except for the inside here. This is your indicator light. I'm gonna basically mask off the indicator lens, put it back on here, and then spray paint it all black. We're not gonna be touching anything here. I can see there's like some dust and debris. We can definitely clean this up. Let's go to a next step. We'll swallow. What definitely helps is using one of these dusters. And you could just bend around the edge, so as perfect as possible. Okay, so far so good. Keep on doing this. Some absolute dog shit. Make sure you don't miss any spots. Okay, so here's your maxed off lens cover. We're gonna put this back on here. Okay guys, so we have our indicator light masked off. Now we can go on to the sanding phase where we just sand this down with a scuff pad. Also for some extra prep, I blocked off the back of the indicator light so no overspray can go inside. Alright, so the sanding step, all you're gonna use is the back of a sponge. This is a pretty abrasive surface. You gonna do this until there is no reflective chrome on this. Alright, so here's our finished piece, sanded down. Man, next up we have this asshole. Just scuff up everything. Nice. Alright, so we got this sanded down. By the way, you might want to wash your hands because it gets a little dirty. Next we use some alcohol to disinfect. Alright, and that's how you prep your housing for painting. Thanks for watching, guys. Next time, I'm going to show you the final product. Peace.